Hello, I'm Paul Kaufman, Dean of Business and Economics at the University of Melbourne. Sound corporate financial decision-making starts with a firm grasp of the numbers. CFOs and investors alike rely on the veracity of the financial results recorded and reported by the firm. Accounting provides you with the principles, rules and ratios that establish the trust you need to rely on those numbers in making business decisions. This first course in a finance specialization series of 4 uncovers the essentials of accounting information underpinning financial analysis. You will learn how to apply that information in financial analysis using discounted cash flow methodology to arrive at fair valuation of the company. But it's not all good news. Accounting scandals rocked global financial markets after 2000. And it has taken the profession and regulators almost a decade to restore the public's perception of honesty and integrity in accounting. We're looking forward to working with you in this course.